What's going on, guys? Today we're going to change the headlight in my 2010 Mazda 3. This one's out, so we're going to replace it. So just behind the headlight you'll see the actual socket right here. So what you need to do is you need to twist this about 20 degrees counterclockwise. Then the bulb just pulls right out. Then you have a connector right here. And this tab right here, you have to press that tab in and pull the bulb out. Just like that. Here's the old bulb. The replacement is a Phillips H11. This one's a LL, which means long life. So you simply reconnect it right here. And you don't want to touch these bulbs with your fingers, the actual bulb. Put it right in the hole, and then seat it, turn it about 20 degrees clockwise. Make sure your connection's good, make sure it's seated in there right, test it out.